everyone, my name is Safinka, presenting a small skill. Mathematics is all around us. Everything, whatever we measure in maths is involved in maths. Everything is in order. Now let's tell about word mark. A simple mathematics rule of helping students to deal with mathematical operations in order. Today with the students of class presenting a small stick which deals with importance of word marks. Now let's welcome them. Problems. My life is full of problems, dull and boring. Counting. Always counting. I am so alone with problems.
Yo.
Hey, who are you? Who allowed to come in?
I will introduce myself. I am addition and I prove that very useful to you. So please don't avoid me.
But how can you do this?
First take a number 2 and 3. If these both numbers add, the answer is 5.
Oh wow, this method makes so many operations. This method makes so many numbers. I am so happy, but can you tell me how can decrease my value? I can decrease your value. Show me. Take number 3 and 2. If I can between 3 and 2, then your value will be 1. Oh, so cool.
Repeated addition.
Hey, who are you? What do you mean by this?
I am a multiplication. Have a double dose when you want add a number again and again. I can make the calculation very easily, and then when you want, call me at shortcut and then smart service.
I am elder brother of multiplication.
Are you go one more operations? Do you want to meet? Yeah, I am so excited.
Hi everyone. I am division. When you want it where I want into my calculations easier, friends, you can call me share.
Oh wow, so many operations deals with. I am so happy. Let's play with numbers. Okay, stop. So many operations deals with. What a problem.
Don't worry, dear. I am order. We can play with the numbers.
Wait. I will explain. Can you say that order dear? An order. We can as according to sequence for like O for of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Oh, God marks. Hi, hello, I am Bracket. My role is to touch the all operations in capture in the box. No.
Let's finish this bracket. Otherwise, it will not allow to play attack.
So dear friends, always remember whenever have a bracket in it to finish it is, then we can play according to the sequence.
Yes, you make has sequences. B for bracket, O for A, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction.
So dear friends, maths is all about numbers, formulas, operations, orders and called physical universe. Maths is not just for watching. We should learn all, try to free simple things to complicated and complicated to simple things. But about math and mathematical operations, it teaches us that every problem has a solution. I repeated, every problem has a solution.